Even before Taiwan's biggest outbreak earlier this year, there was one company which had already been preparing for the pandemic. Medigen started developing its answer to the virus in February 2020. As the country struggled to get supplies from abroad over the summer, Medigen was racing to get through trials.
Due to the extremely low incident rate in Taiwan, it is almost impossible that we can carry a so-called traditional phase 3 trial. However, FDA by Taiwan FDA designed a pathway to the EUA for local vaccines.
The rollout of the vaccine was a boost for Taiwan, with President Tsai Ing-wen getting the first shot in August, putting a weight behind the locally produced vaccine.
Medigen received emergency authorization in Taiwan in July, but there have been concerns here and abroad that the push-out was rushed.
Some of the loudest detractors of the vaccine's rollout were from the opposition Kuomintang party. They questioned its safety along with its price tag of $28 per dose.
We believe that the current vaccine had gained Taiwan's own EUA too fast, not up to the common understanding of the normal procedures of internationally recognized vaccines. Point number 2 is that the data that been released had been limited. It was not made available for all public review, especially to the opposition party.
Alexander Huang is the Director of International Affairs of the Kuomintang Party. He told TaiwanPlus he felt more discussion was needed.
The approval of EUA was not out of a consultation with all parties in the parliament. So it makes the opposition believe that the government has either hide something from the opposition or it was too rushed to the level that people would doubt about the scientific quality of that decision.
Medigen scientists say part of the vaccine has been developed in collaboration with the National Institute of Health in the United States. In October, Medigen received good news. The vaccine was chosen to participate in the WHO's Solidarity Trial Vaccines platform, putting it firmly on the path to international approval. New Zealand and Indonesia have accepted Medigen for inbound travelers, while Australia has set the wheels in motion for the Taiwan vaccine's approval. But despite its growing international profile, at home it has yet to gain wider acceptance. To date, according to the government statistics, less than 10% of fully vaccinated people chose Medigen. And polling from the non-profit Taiwanese Public Opinion Foundation has shown only around 44% of the public trust the vaccine.
So this is why Medigen should get approval to let other countries to say this vaccine is okay. So people got Medigen, they can travel around the world. So this is why to get international approval is very important for Medigen.
According to Medigen, having a homegrown vaccine has its advantages.
I think it's important to have a local vaccination program plus a vaccination facilities because, as you know, there are so many variants. Every month you see the new variant. So when you have a local vaccine possibility or vaccine facility or ability, you can provide a much better flexibility to solve this so-called variants problem.
And with the emergence of the latest variant, Omicron, Medigen has kick-started a gene sequence evaluation to produce a version of the vaccine to target it.
So if our vaccine being recognized, I think wherever or whoever need our vaccine or even technology, we are more than happy to help.
In 2020, while most of the world was battling the pandemic, Taiwan gained a reputation as a COVID-19 success story. With donations of protective equipment and by sharing its expertise, Taiwan managed to foster ties with many countries around the world. Medigen is hoping its vaccine will continue to spread goodwill. As Naya Zhou, James Raynor, and Sandy Chi for TaiwanPlus.